Hi, I'm Dimeji,
And I'm Saffron, and we're the founders of Vegan Shack.
a rapidly growing, plant-based fast food takeaway.
We created Vegan Shack because of our own personal desire for delicious tasting meat alternatives.
As new vegans, we had changed our lifestyles, but to be honest, we missed our tasty treats, hangover cures and comfort food.
With nothing to satisfy us in Manchester, we began experimenting at home with different mock meats, creating tasty wraps and burgers in our own kitchen.
Hitting the jackpot with our barbecue loaded fries. And then one day we had a light bulb moment. I mean, if we liked our food so much, then surely others would like it too.
Sharing our exciting new discoveries on Instagram, we soon won regular customers. People loved what we were doing.
We decided to take the plunge and launch the business from our one-bedroom apartment, making orders on demand for customers to collect or receive by delivery.
First one.
First off, menu. In 2020, we opened up our first location, a small unit on the outskirts of Manchester city centre where we quickly grew revenue.
We opened our second location in Manchester's Piccadilly Gardens, which has an average footfall of 300,000 people every week. And we've also launched our third store in London's Box Park, Croydon.
Our menu consists of mind-boggling vegan fried chicken, burgers, loaded fries and milkshakes, with burgers being a lead category time and time again. We've even got a terrific breakfast menu.
Our aim is to provide great food at an affordable price.
We've always been, and we will always remain, proudly vegan.
We enjoy delivering our food, but we love to meet people in our stores too.
Providing great service is what we're all about, which has resulted in lots of amazing reviews.
So we'll continue to invest in a fantastic front of house team and keep our head office staff to a minimum.
A lot of people who aren't vegan or vegetarian have this misconception of what vegan food is, but it can be anything. Vegan Shack is definitely the place to try. I've never been disappointed.
It felt like you were just eating real meat, so it was super satisfying, but it also didn't cost a fortune, and I feel like that is a massive gap in the market.
The only problem with Vegan Shack is that there's not one closer to me.
I just can't see how this shouldn't be everywhere in every city, because there are vegans but also flexitarians like myself who want good fast food that is a meat alternative all the time.
I think Dimeji and Saffron really diligent in what they do. They're really hardworking, they're really clear in their vision. Their planning is really tight. There's such energy within the company, like their growth plan is really exciting and pretty ambitious. I think you're going to see and hear a lot more from Vegan Shack in the next 12 to 36 months.
The demand for vegan takeaways grew by 117% in 2022. 10.7 million people in the UK are now flexitarian.
The fast food market grew by 9% between 2021 and 2022.
The compound annual growth rate for the vegan food product market is running at 10.4% and is expected to grow to £1.1 billion by 2024.
And 63% of UK consumers bought a vegan food product in 2021.
Add all of that together and we think we're on a precipice of a major shift in the UK fast food industry.
Which allows us room to thrive on leading delivery platforms such as Uber Eats and Deliveroo, both of which have reported that the demand for vegan fast food is growing rapidly, with the majority of plant-based food orders coming from flexitarians.
To date, we've pretty much bootstrapped our business and we've always been incredibly budget conscious. In fact, when we opened up our first store in Manchester, I went to B&Q to buy some wood and built the counter myself.
Later this year, we have another store planned for Manchester, as well as opening our first delivery kitchen. And in 2024, we will open 4 more stores and a prep and storage facility.
We've had an amazing journey so far, and now we're primed, ready and excited to scale the business to the next level.
With your help, we aim to open up new locations and delivery kitchens, expand our staff, ramp up our marketing activities and strengthen our overall operations.
Our slogan is the future of fast food, and we want to make that a reality.
We are Vegan Shack.
100% vegan,
100% legendary.